There's a super easy side hustle you can start on YouTube to make reoccurring income every day. Do you like watching YouTube videos? Do you find yourself consuming relaxing videos? I do. I like to watch them to sleep or study. Well, these types of videos are very popular, and today I'm going to unpack and reveal how you can make the same exact videos. Okay, let's get it. So what is Creative Commons or royalty free mean? This gives you the right to use content that is free to the public, and it has a free license. Okay, so the first thing you do is visit YouTube and look for video content that you enjoy listening to. Uh, sounds, especially sounds that are easy to recreate. You can do whatever you want, fireplace sounds, water sounds, you name it. Next, look for free stock footage. First, look for free videos online. There are so many free videos out there. What's nice about these videos are that they're for commercial use and personal use, so you can use them over and over. Look for footage you like. Rain or water sounds is a great example. You can then download them. Be sure to check for any copyright rules or attributions. If you're enjoying the content, be sure to give this video a like. Next thing you'll do is find free background sounds. Next, do a search on Google for free sounds to use in the background. This is the most important part because this is what creates the sounds in videos, right? Most of them are also free for commercial use. Now, just combine everything together in iMovie. The sounds, the videos, all the stuff we mentioned earlier. Combine it all in the iMovie. You can use whatever program you have handy though. Whether it's a paid program or a free program, choice is yours. There's a ton of video editing software out there. Now, just repeat this process over and over and over again. The strategy doesn't become passive until you do that. So just repeat the steps, build up your channel until you reach the numbers you want. You can make as little or as much as you want. And of course, you can then monetize the videos once you get a certain amount of subscribers. So here's my final thoughts. There are no guarantees here. Trust the process and look at it from a long-term perspective. This requires a lot of patience and consistency. And you probably have to have a channel for like 3 years to see some awesome results. But trust me, if you're consistent and you're patient, you will see results. Well, you made it to the end. If you're interested in taking things to the next level with high-paying skills and a great, amazing education, visit the link in the description or bio, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.